Good morning class. Now today we are going to start with the explanation of answer the following questions in one or two sentences of chapter 2 adaptations in animals and answer the following questions in brief. Today I am going to explain you these question and answer. Now there are 7 questions which I am going to explain you today. Those question and answer you have to write it in your notebooks. Write all the 7 questions in your notebooks. There are 4 questions in E1, that is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences, and 3 questions in answer the following questions in brief. Answer the following questions in brief means that they are a bit long, that means they are of 2 or 3 lines. So you have to write all the questions in your notebooks. Now let us begin with the explanation of all the questions. As I have already told you that today I am going to explain you the question and answer of chapter 2, that is adaptation in animals. So today's date is 23, chapter 2 adaptation in animals. E is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. In these question and answer you have to answer the following questions in just 1 or 2 sentences only. Okay, so the first question is define adaptation. What is adaptation? It is a natural process by which animals make some of the physical touch and behavioral changes to adjust to the environment. They just adapt, just makes a habitat and they try to adjust to their type of habitat. So define adaptation. Answer: natural process by which animals make physical and behavioral changes to adjust to their habitat. It's the process in which animals makes their physical and behavioral changes. They make both the physical and behavioral changes to adjust to the habitat. That is adaptation. I hope you all have got the first answer. Now let us move to the second one. Second is, what are omnivores? You have to tell what are omnivores. I hope you all have read this earlier also, that omnivores are those animals which eat flesh animals and plants also. Which eat both flesh and plants, they are omnivorous animals. So answer for this is, the animals that eat both flesh and plants are called omnivores. They have moderately developed incisors, canines and premolars. There are 3 types of teeth which are present in omnivorous animals. These incisors, canines and premolars are 3 types of teeth which are present in all omnivores. Now let us move to question 3. I hope you all have got answer 2. Now question 3 is, what is shell? I hope you all have seen animals like turtle, tortoise and snail. They all have shell at the back. Shell is in a type of a U shape. So animals such as tortoise, turtle, snails have shell on their body. All these 3 animals, tortoise, turtles and snail, have shells on their body. They use it to protect themselves when they are in danger. They use it when they have seen some danger. Their shell is that protection cover, we can say, in their body, which these 3 animals have. Now let us move to question 4. Question 4 is, define the term cuctile. Answer for this: the cuctile is a water resistant. It protects animal. It is a water resistant and it protects animals. It is a protection for all animals. I hope you all have got these 4 answers. And or maybe, and I hope that these four answers are clear to all of you. If you have any doubt regarding these four answers, you can ask me. Now let us move to question F1. Answer the following questions in brief. In the E1 we have done answer the following questions in just one or two sentences. In this you have to write a answers in brief. That means a bit long answer. Question 1 is, what is a habitat? You have to tell what is a habitat. Name the different types of habitats. You have to tell what is a habitat. First of all, let me tell you that it's a place where animals live, feed, reproduce the young ones. That place is called a habitat. The place where animals reproduce, feeds and live is the place where it is called habitat. Now, the answer for this is the place where an animal lives, feeds and reproduces is called is habitat. Different types of habitats are forest, grassland, desert, mountains, polar regions. These are the different types of habitats where animals live, feed their young ones, reproduces their young ones. These are some of the habitats: forest, grassland, desert, mountains, polar regions, oceans, seas and rivers, ponds and lake. These are the different places we can say where animals live. They live in forest also, grasslands also, desert, mountains, polar regions, oceans, seas. I hope you all have seen the animals living in these areas. So that is called a habitat. I hope first answer is clear to all of you. Now let us move to question 2. Question 2 is, how do fish breathe? You have to tell that through which the fish uses which part of the body to breathe. Fish lives in water and breathe through their gills. They have gills on their bodies which fish uses for them to breathe. That gills only helps the fish to breathe in water. Let's move to question 3. Question 3 is, which features help the fish to swim in water? You have to write that feature that helps the fish to swim in water. Answer for this is, fish have fins to swim and streamlined body to cut through the water easily. Fish have fins on their body which help them to swim, and streamlined body, that means that different type of a body they have to cut through water easily, which help them to make a cut through the water. Now I hope these 7 answers, the explanation of these 7 answers is clear to all of you. Now what you all have to do in homework, you just have to learn these 7 answers thoroughly. That means you have to learn the question and answer thoroughly. Thank you.